Hindi, classmate ako. Naman sana kita sa itong iyong nila.
Nam-nam mo.
Balik. Dale. Kailan kada? Korean. Sana niya. Alter ego. Alter ego na. No obsession. Microphone. 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 Mic. No. Okay. Okay, patay yun.
Also known as the water cycle or the H2O cycle. So, it is said during the water phase as it circulates from the land to the sky and back again. So, it is a continuous movement of the water above, on, and below the Earth's surface. Then, so because it is a continuous movement, so the water moves from one reservoir to another. For example, from river to the ocean and from the ocean to the atmosphere. Then, in so doing this, the water goes through different phases such as liquid, gas, and solid. Then the hydrologic cycle also involves the exchange of heat energy, which leads to temperature changes. So, for example, in the process of evaporation, the water takes up energy in the surroundings, then which causes the environment to become cool. While in the process of condensation, the water releases energy to the environment and to the surroundings, warming the environment. So, the processes in the water cycle involve precipitation, shallow intersection, flow-up, runoff, infiltration, soft surface flow, evaporation, condensation, advection, condensation, and respiration.
Click.
Bakit na lang precipitation?
Yeah. So, the first process is precipitation. So, we all know that precipitation is the primary mechanism for transporting water from the atmosphere to the surface of the earth. So, it's a condensed water vapor that falls to the earth's surface. So, it is either in the form of rain, snow, or sleet. So, when we say sleet, partially frozen raindrops are a combination of rain and snow. Then,
Yung pag,
then precipitation is only triggered when the clouds meet cool air over land and the water turns back to earth. Then, next process is the final intersection. It is the precipitation that is intercepted by the gas foliage, eventually evaporates back to the atmosphere rather than falling to the ground. Then next, the snow melt, which is the runoff produced by melted snow, and the runoff is the variety of ways by which water moves across the land. So, as the water flows, it will dip on the ocean, evaporates in the atmosphere, or it may become stored in lakes or other reservoir, or it may be used in agricultural and other human uses.
Wala is a problem for runoff and dapat na lang set up. Ako ba lucid to the ground?
One will evaporate.
Runoff. Ano siya? Video? Ano siya? Infiltration.
So, infiltration is the flow of water from the ground surface to the ground. So, once infiltrated, the water becomes soil moisture or groundwater. Groundwater will be discussed in the next quarter.
So, we'll go from the ground, surfacing to the ground.
Then, the next is the subsurface flow. It is the flow of water underground in the Badong zone and aquifer. Then, you say Badong zone, it is the term for the unsaturated zone. Then, water returns to the land surface at lower elevation when very infiltrated by the force of gravity or gravity-induced pressure. Groundwater tends to move slowly and is replenished slowly so it can remain in aquifers for thousands of years. Aquifers examples, water wells.
Itong mga reportation na pagkikulan.
Then evaporation. Evaporation is the transportation bodies of water into the organic atmosphere. Then, the source of energy for evaporation is primarily the solar radiation and electromagnetic energy. Then, it also includes the transpiration from plants. So together, they are specifically referred as the evapotranspiration. So evapotranspiration, water transpired from plants and evaporated from the soil.
Dito sa mga plants, sa mga
And it is the sun heat that provides energy to evaporate water from the Earth's surface. Because it is the sun that drives the water cycle. The evaporation is the state change directly from solid water, lower ice to water vapor.
this is called then snow or ice supply. May further discussion about it. Next.
As mentioned, it is the movement of water from solid, liquid, or vapor state through the atmosphere. So without this advection, the water that evaporates over the ocean could not precipitate over land. The condensation, the transformation of water vapor from the air, creating clouds and clouds. As the water evaporates, it eventually condenses, forming tiny droplets in clouds. Then, transpiration, it is the release of water vapor from plants into the air. When you say water vapor, it is a gas that can never be seen.
This cycle.
Oh, that's a cycle, sir. As I said, it is a never-ending cycle. So, from the ocean, the water evaporates to the atmosphere, and the movement of water through the atmosphere is called transport or vapor transport. So, as it evaporates, the water in the atmosphere condenses, then what siya mag-form siya, then as those cloud particles grow, it will fall out of the sky and the process of precipitation occurs. Then what is the next?
Hindi siya mag-precipitate dito sa mountain, hindi siya mag-precipitate dito sa ocean, ulan, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, natin ito rin face-to-face ng evaporation, transpiration sa kahoy, sa evaporation sa ocean.
Gumay na pa out.
Okay na mga ito. Actually, mga video or mga pictures na regarding motorcycle. Next.
So, as well as the transport of the movement of water through the atmosphere, usually from over the ocean to over land.
Wala rin sa transport ang term. Ikan sa ocean.
Kanang movement of water through the atmosphere.
Ikaw naman to.
Ikan sa atmosphere ba? Pabalik.
Ito, ganyan.